Hello students, today I am going to discuss about finding the square roots of a number by using the prime factorization method. So now I am going to take an example 729. Now I am going to start taking the prime factors of this number. So it will go with 3. 3 2s are 6. 7 minus 6 is 1. 3 4s are 12. 3 3s are 9. Again with 3. 3 8s are 24. 3 1s are 3. 3 9 then 3 2s are 6. 7s are 21. 3 9s are 27. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Now what the work we have to do? Now I'll take a pair of number like 3 3, two sets 3 3 and this 3 3. Now I'm going to write the LCM of 729 as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. How many 3's are here? 1 2 3 4 5 6. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. I'll make a bar, means two sets I am taking. Now making a square root of 729. This is the square root of this number. 3 into 3, 3 into 3 and 3 into 3. Now since it is a square root, I am just going to take the two sets of number outside this radical as 3 one time. Okay, this is 2 times 3, I'll take out 1 time 3. This is again next 2 times 3, I'll take 1 time 3. This is next 2 times 3, I'll take 1 time. So what we have to do, the two sets of a number will take the square root by taking only one set of number. Okay, so 729 square root is how much now? 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. So this is how we have done here the square root of 729. Now let me take some more examples. Now I have taken the another number 1764. So I have started with 2 because it is an even number. 2 8s are 16. 17 minus 16 will give you 1 remainder. 1 will go with this 6. Then again 2 8s are 16 and 2 2s are 4. It is again an even number. It will go with 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. Now I'll check with 3. 3 1s are 3. 4 minus 3 is 1. 3 4s are 12. And then 3 7s are 21. Now 147 I can say is divisible by 7. I'll again check with 3. 3 4s are 12. Yes, 2 and then 9 times. Then again it will go with 7. 7 7s are 49. So 1764. This will be written as 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 7 into 7. 2 sets, 2 of 2, 3 and 7. So while taking the square root, I'll make a radical like this. 1764 under the radical. This will also be under the radical. 2 into 2, 3 into 3, 7 into 7. Double bars. So this is going to give you what? 2 into 3 into 7. That means 2 3s are 6, 6 7s are 42. So what is the square root of 1764? This is 42. Now I am going to take more examples. 9604. 2 4s are 8. 2 8s are 16. 0s are 0 and 2 2s are. 2 2s are 4. 2 4s are 8, 0 and 1. Now it will not go with 3, it will go with 7. 7 3s are 21. 7 4s are 28. It will not go 3 times, it will go 7 3s are 21. Then 21, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3, 30. 7 4s are 28. Then again 2 remainder. 7 3s are 21. Again with 7 time. 7 5s are 35, so it will go with 7 4s are 28. Remainder is 6, 63 now. 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are 49. 7 1s are 7. So what I will write here, under root of 9604 as under root of this whole number, 2 together, this 2 together, this 7. Okay, so 2 into 2, 7 into 7, again 7 into 7. The pair of these number I'll take a single time, 2 into 7 into 7. So 2 7s are 14 and then 14 7s are 98. So this is the number 9604, square root is 98. Now I'm going to take one more example. 9216. 2 4s are 8. 9 minus 8 is 1. So 2 6 are 12. This is gone. 2 digits I have to take together because 1 will not go with 2. 16 I'll see. 2 digits, that means make a 0. Then 2 8s are 16. Then again 2 2s are 4. 2 3s are 6. 0 will copy down and 2 4s are 8. Again with 2 times. 2 1s are 2. 2 1s are 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4. Again with 2 times. 2 5s are 10. 11 minus 10 is 1. 2 7s are 14. 15 minus 14 is 1. 2 6 are 12. 2 2s are 4. Then 5 minus 4 is 1. 17. It will give you 2 8s are 16. Again 2 8s are 16. 2 1s are 2. 2 4s are 8. 2 4s are 8. 2 7s are 14. 2 2s are. 2 3s are 6. 2 6 are 12. 2 1s are 2. 8s are 16. 2 9s are. 9 will go. 3 3s are. 3 1s are 3. So what is the square root? 9216. It is going to give you what? I'll take here only 2 together. I'll write one time. 2 together. I'll write one time. 2 together. I'll write one time. Then again these 2 together. I'll write one time. These 2 together. I'll again write it as one time, and then these 2 together one time. Okay. So 2 2s are 4, 2s are 8, 2 are 16, 16, then 6 are. 16 6 are 96. This is the answer. 96. So this is how we can find the square roots of a number by using the prime factorization method. In my next video, I'll discuss about the division method of finding the square roots. Thank you now.